every programmer knows this place. The tunnel. The state where everything else disappears except the code. But getting there on purpose, that's the real challenge. The tunnel isn't magic. It's a mental space. The place where everything aligns. So how do you enter it? Step 1. Start with a ritual. Coffee, headphones, a hoodie if you want to go full power mode. These aren't just habits, they are signals. They tell your brain it's time. You open your editor, you take a breath and the world starts to fade. But before the tunnel opens, you need to clear the path. Anything that pulls you out, gone. Notifications off, phone out of reach, music without lyrics. One clear task. The tunnel doesn't open for chaos, it opens for clarity. And then it happens, not all at once, slowly. Your thoughts begin to line up. The noise fades. Minutes melt into hours. Code flows, ideas connect. Problems dissolve. And before you even notice, you are deep inside the tunnel. Eventually you come back. The world fades in again. Your coffee is gone, your code is twice as long, and you have no idea how you wrote half of it. But that's the beauty of the tunnel. You don't force it, you create the conditions. And it finds you. And every time you enter it, you come out a little better. If you enjoyed this, consider liking the video and subscribing for more moments inside the tunnel.